Hiding a secret all along, so stop. So, as you all been wondering, I'm a YouTuber and investigator. Investigating videos that they are not good for kids or that what happened to the characters. And if you don't know this, I was been analyzing one YouTube channel and I saw this YouTube channel which is I'm gonna show it right now. Just wait. This is right here. But the great thing, this guy is a good boy. The problem is I'm investigating that his channel, then it's not for kids and it is doing like too much things that they're not good for kids. I'm gonna report her directly. So if you're listening this, no, I am an investigator YouTuber, so I'm just gonna hope you are in my side. Okay guys, so see ya. I'm gonna investigate her. If you are her,